Nepenthes, otherwise known as monkey jars or monkey cups, but most commonly known as pitcher plants, are certainly one of the most intriguing plants that we have in our shop currently. So these guys are actually carnivorous plants, and they have these mutated leaf veins that attract and trap bugs, while the digestive juices slowly digest them and passes on the nutrients to the plant. Now, when it comes to caring for these guys, it can be a little bit tricky. They are a bit of a specialty plant. So you need to make sure you're giving them distilled water or rainwater. And that means demineralized water. They're not going to be okay with spring water or tap water or anything like that. The next thing is to make sure that you're topping up their vessels with a little bit of water. And this is going to help to mix with a digestive juice to be able to digest the bugs. They will only thrive in bright, indirect light with a bit of morning sun, and this is because they have to make these large vessels to be able to catch the bugs. They need a lot of food for themselves, they need a lot of energy, so it's very important to give them very bright light. Pitcher plants are incredible plants, they really are amazing, and they are certainly worth bringing into your home and your plant collection.